Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and selecting Connections right away. Then click on the gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and click on Bluetooth. Finally, just wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Wait for the other device to accept your connection request after tapping on Pair in Bluetooth Pairing Request pop-up. So when I do that, and wait, I can see that my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear next to the device and clicking on Unpair at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!